This is Khaldun with Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this Pavoni Espresso machine. It comes to us with loose space. When I test the machine, I found out the machine needs a tune-up. And after I did a tune-up and tightened the loose space, actually before that, while tightening the loose space, placed this gasket for the heating element. And during the tune-up, replaced, this is the side glass kit, these two, and this gasket is for the group head sleeve here, and this two is for the side glass. This is behind the group head here, and this is for the for this one, which is gets broken with me, so I just got a new one for this machine. And this one for in the top of the group head here, this one, and that one is on the piston, and this is the main one for the group head. And then when I start testing it, I found out like the machine sometimes works, sometimes not responding right away after that, and not restart again really quick. So I got this. When I retested, I found it broken, which is we call it pressure stat. So I just replaced it, and I replaced this light. Now it's green, as you see, and ready. And here I'm testing it with the pressure gauge. Here is it. And this is the broken indication light here. And this machine comes without a portafilter, so I just want to some water from here. Okay, machine doing well and functioning perfect. Yeah, thank you for watching.